Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you see right here, we have AUDUSD or Australian dollar with the US dollar. You can already see that. Okay, we're on the official chart, and today I'm going to talk about the trade that I took. I mean, in the morning, all right. So first of all, we cannot see that right now too, right here. Also, we have news, so I did manage to close it before the news, and we're like, look, just oh my god, bro. Okay, so 1 hour after we concluded to see like what was going on right here. But if I did a top down analysis, like let's just start from here. Okay, we kind of after we liquidated this, as you see here, we had a small supply area that we kind of managed to mitigate it, right? But after I saw this, let's go to the 10 minutes, 10, yeah, 5 minute time frame. Okay, after we saw that break structure, okay, through the not substructure, but through the like structure, original structure. See, after we saw that, after we build that liquidity right here, and like I was sold. Okay, from here on, I was always like I was just looking for nothing with it. And as you can see, like this was the 2 minute time frame. Beautiful, beautiful demand area. We had a liquidity, had a little imbalance and all that. That's what I was waiting for, and this is how we went. I got tagged in, came back literally straight like what? This my TP was around here, okay, originally, but I did manage to bring it right here to like 1 to 5 trade, which is pretty beautiful. So that said, in a matter of what, like in a matter of 8 minutes, okay, we had a like 1 to 3 RR, which is pretty beautiful. So let's just do this, which was pretty beautiful. What happened right there, okay, after we set that second break structure, I had just my stop loss just above this uh, other high. As you see, the price came back at the level. So if I had my stop loss at the break even, I would have been out, but I just had it at the above here. It was pretty close too. And as you see, like super close again. Once again, I just waited a little bit and I got out. Okay, I also had some partials up. So that said, this is how I did manage to take this trade. I could have, okay, I just say I could have like let this run like 0.10 of the volume of the basic trade, and like it could have went, but as you see, it came back up to the entry. As you see, it took me out here, tapped into here to just grab all this liquidity, and after that, it was just solid. Okay, it was solid. It was just beautiful stuff. But that's about it for this trade. Let me just go back. Okay, use the replay tool right here. Okay, let's just see where this was. Okay, right here. Beautiful trade. Let me just have a screenshot. So for the thumbnail, all right. So if you want to join the community, go ahead, like click the first link in the description down below. Okay, it's a free Discord. Peace out, guys. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.